أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا ومولانا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. Assalamu alaikum kids.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Today we will read, dua when going to sleep. This means sleeping dua. Today we will read sleeping dua. And Muhammad Fahimul Hassan with us today, and all of you, the beautiful class with me today. And now we will start this dua in Arabic, and then I will explain you in English too. Inshallah. Now we will start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Allahumma Bismika amutu wa ahya. One time more. Allahumma Bismika amutu wa ahya. Now you will listen, only Fahimul Hassan will read after me. Allahumma Bismika amutu wa ahya. This dua, what time we will read? Going to sleep, before sleeping. This means before sleeping we will read this dua when we go to bed. Now we will do translation. What is translation in English? Allahumma meaning is Oh Allah. Oh Allah. It is basically a supplication. Is dua. Allahumma mean Oh Allah. Bismika. Buzzer B mean with. And ka. We read before in Islamic learning course. Alhamdulillah, we are reading Islamic learning course, and ka. When already, when in Arabic word and is kaf zabar ka, its meaning you, your, you. Ka mean you, your, you. Ism, this mean name, you. This mean with your name. Oh Allah, with your name. What is translation? Can you repeat after me? Oh Allah, with your name.
Oh Allah, with your name.
Amutu. Amutu is meaning I die. But now its meaning is I sleep. I sleep. Wa and wa ahya. This means I alive or I wake up. I sleep and I wake up. I wake up. What is meaning? Oh Allah, with your name I sleep and I wake up. In Urdu, ऐ अल्लाह मैं तेरे नाम से सोता हूँ और जगता हूँ. Like this, you can memorize this dua, and Alhamdulillah, we will read every day, every night when we will go to bed. Before sleeping, we will read this dua. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.